Imagine stepping into your garden and harvesting fresh food, no matter the season. Year-round gardening makes this dream a reality. Enjoy a continuous supply of delicious fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Save money and grow your own food. Succession planting ensures a continuous harvest. Choose the right crops for each season. Let's get started on garden fresh meals, all year long. Succession planting is key for year-round gardening. Stagger your planting times for a continuous harvest. Space out seeds or seedlings over several weeks. Sow a row of lettuce every 2 weeks. This ensures a steady supply of fresh greens. As one row finishes, another is ready. Prevent gaps in your harvest. Replace spent crops with new ones. Swap cool season spinach for warm season beans. Plan for overlap to enjoy a variety of vegetables. Master succession planting for a continuous harvest. Maximize your garden's productivity year-round. Selecting the right crops for each season is essential for year-round gardening success. In spring, opt for cool season vegetables that can withstand light frosts. Lettuce, spinach, and radishes are excellent choices. Summer calls for heat-loving crops like tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers. These thrive in warm temperatures and abundant sunshine. As temperatures cool in the fall, choose crops that can tolerate cooler temperatures. Kale, carrots, and broccoli are great options. During winter, focus on cold-hardy greens like spinach and kale. You can also grow vegetables in a greenhouse or indoors. Consider fast-growing, high-yield crops for quick harvests. These include radishes, summer squash, and leafy greens. By carefully selecting crops that thrive in each season, you can ensure a bountiful harvest year-round. Pay attention to your local climate and choose varieties that are well-suited to your region. Extend your harvest into winter. Don't let the cooler temperatures deter you from gardening. By utilizing season extenders, you can continue to harvest fresh produce well into fall and winter. One effective method is using row covers. These lightweight fabrics protect plants from frost and create a warmer microclimate. Greenhouses offer a more substantial form of protection, allowing you to grow a wider variety of crops throughout the winter. You can also plant cold-tolerant crops that can withstand freezing temperatures. Some examples include kale, spinach, and certain varieties of carrots. For those with limited outdoor space, indoor gardening provides an excellent alternative. Set up grow lights and create a dedicated area in your home to cultivate herbs, leafy greens, and even some fruiting vegetables. By embracing these techniques, you can enjoy fresh, homegrown produce long after the summer heat has faded. Plan your bountiful garden. Creating a simple garden plan is crucial for successful year-round gardening. Start by creating a planting calendar that outlines when to sow seeds indoors, transplant seedlings, and direct sow outdoors. Consider your local climate and the specific requirements of each crop. Prioritize fast-growing vegetables to maximize your harvest within a shorter time frame. Radishes, lettuce, and spinach are great examples. Utilize vertical space by growing vining crops like cucumbers and tomatoes on trellises or stakes. Maximize your garden's productivity by practicing crop rotation. This helps prevent soil-borne diseases and pests from becoming established. By planning ahead and implementing these strategies, you can enjoy a continuous supply of fresh produce from your garden year-round. Happy gardening!